Flipping houses is back. The market is hot and there's big profits to be made. So house flippers everywhere are buying hot mess houses, fixing them up, and selling them for a profit. Do you want to learn how to make quick cash profits and a ton of money flipping houses exactly where you live? Have you ever seen the house flipping shows on TV and asked yourself, how do they do it? How do they make all that money and make it look so easy? Introducing Bank Foreclosure Millionaire, a real-life real estate investing education game that teaches you exactly how the TV pros make offers, analyze properties, run the numbers, use the 70% formula, and make big profits flipping houses, and how you can do it too. Bank Foreclosure Millionaire is the #1 real estate investing education app on the market. Buying houses at a low price, fixing them up, and then selling them at a higher price is a great way to make quick cash profits, build wealth, and get rich and be a real estate millionaire. Bank Foreclosure Millionaire real estate investing education game teaches you that flipping houses is all about your ROI, your return on your investment. Replacing things like windows, wood rot, and warped floors are just part of it. But will repairing these items make you a profit? A dated bathroom may need more than just painting. It may need rehabbing, but it's still a great property to flip as long as you can get a great return on your investment. Taking ugly houses and making them pretty is how you make your profit. This $80,000 property with the right renovations and additions could sell for as much as $150,000, making you a $35,000 big profit check and generating a 31% ROI, return on your investment. Making a profit buying and selling houses is all about sticking to the fundamental house flipping formulas. Out of the gross profit from the sale of the property, 70% of the sales price goes to your offer plus rehab costs. 20% is your profit, 10% goes to real estate commissions and closing costs. Bank Foreclosure Millionaire is the #1 real estate investing education app on the market that teaches and trains real estate investors on how to make big profits flipping houses in today's current real estate economy. You can flip this house for a $5,000 finder's fee as a wholesaler in 30 days to a cash buyer. You can do this without using any of your own money, credit, job, or having a real estate license. You could even buy and hold the property, rent it out for $1,341 to build passive cash flow, which produces a 14% ROI. The tenant will pay off the loan in 86 months, while the house price keeps continuing to climb and build your equity. This is a great return on your investment. Play Bank Foreclosure Millionaire real estate investing education game today to learn how to make offers, analyze properties, run the numbers, use the 70% formula, and make a big profits flipping houses just like the financially successful investors do. Bank Foreclosure Millionaire is a real-life, real-world real estate investing education game for investors, wholesalers, rehabbers, landlords, note buyers, agents, brokers, or anyone that wants to learn how to make money, build wealth, and get rich and be a real estate millionaire. Bank Foreclosure Millionaire real estate investing education game teaches you how to get foreclosure properties directly from banks at 30 to 50% below market value before they're listed and before anyone knows about them. These secret bank properties are kept hidden from the general public. This real estate investing education game literally teaches you the numbers you need to know to make money, build wealth, get rich, and become a millionaire, buying, fixing, managing, selling, and flipping houses exactly where you live. So, my only question for you is, are you ready to be a house flipping real estate millionaire? Get started today by downloading Bank Foreclosure Millionaire. It's free.